So, hello everyone, I'm Davide, chef and brand creator of Insideat class, and today I want to show you how to prepare a very rock and roll recipe. Why it's a rock and roll recipe? Because we have a very authentic and basic recipe, which is cacio e pepe, so sheep cheese and pepper, but we add a little bit of mussels, okay, and a little bit of lime. So it's a very easy recipe. It will take around 15 minutes, no more, and it's a very cheap too, okay, but the result is going to be amazing. It's going to be really a completely different taste, something that probably you never tried. So let's see how it goes. The very first thing, we do have to, remove the byssus, so the thumb of the mussels, this way, okay, keep everything clean, and there you go. So now, the very first process, very easy. A drizzle of olive oil on a pan, pull over garlic, switch on the flame, medium high, until the garlic starts to get kind of gold brown, okay, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes, no more. Okay, what happened now? The garlic, it's a little bit gold brown, and we're gonna add the mussels directly like that. Flame a little bit higher, and let's cook everything together for a couple minutes until all the mussels start to open up. What we're gonna do, we're gonna close this thing and let it cook. So I've been cooking my fish for a couple of minutes. As you can see, most of them are about to open, okay? So we let it cook for another 1 minute, and then we're gonna remove it from the flame, okay? That's how they are. So the mussels are ready. They're all well open. What we're gonna do, we're gonna move everything into a bowl, okay? Remove the garlic this way, and let's say that I'm gonna clean it off of them, okay? We don't want to have all the shells of the mussels, okay? Just let's do half of it this way. Watch out, it's still very hot. So now the mussels are ready. What we do have to do is just to create our cacio e pepe, our pecorino cheese cream. Easy. We're gonna grind the cheese into a small bowl this way. It's gonna be about 1.5 spoon of pecorino cheese per person this way, okay, and then a little bit of pepper to taste, and a bit of water. I'm gonna use like a full tablespoon, okay, or just a bit of water, room temperature water. I'm gonna mix it up this way until I start to have something very creamy and compact. Just keep mixing it. So I just kept adding a little bit of water until my pecorino cheese, pepper, and a little bit of water start to get very creamy, like what I have right now. The important thing that I'm gonna melt the grind pecorino cheese like that. Now let's heat it up our water, okay? Just half of a hand of sea salt, okay, for 3 liters of water. So just a pinch of salt. And let's wait until the water will boil. So the water is boiling. We're gonna just throw our pasta in. Okay, so as I said, the pasta is very al dente. So I keep cooking the pasta with a mussels broth and a little bit of the boiling water, which is full of starch, for another 3 or 4 minutes until the pasta absorbs all the liquid, okay? Keep moving the pan, spinning the pan, and moving the pasta this way. The pasta, it's already very creamy, okay? Without any cheese, with nothing, just with the starch. I'm gonna add the mussels, okay? I switch it off the flame, so the temperature is still very high, very hot, but Now with a high flame, I'm gonna add the pecorino cheese cream too, okay? And now I'm gonna mix everything together this way. So I keep moving the pasta, okay? If you see that the pasta is a little bit too liquid, so put it back on the flame, but make sure that you're gonna remove on and off from the flame. Otherwise, the pecorino cheese will melt too much and will get too stringy. It will not get creamy. And now the very last thing, we just have to make our plate a little bit fancy. And now to finish our plate, just a bit of pepper, okay? Drizzle just a bit of pecorino on top, and just really 3-4 drops of lime, and that's it. So well, again, I'm Davide, chef and brand creator of Inside Cooking Class, cooking lesson and food tours. I hope you enjoy the recipe. I hope you're gonna enjoy your plate, and again, buon appetito.